Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the third part of the series Introduction to Hindi Alphabets. In first part of the series, I described about the consonants and the vowels, and in today's video, I will describe about the next four vowels, which is U, U, A and A. The first one looks very similar to the number 3. This is pronounced as U. And the next one, this one is pronounced as U. This one, it is pronounced as A. And the fourth one, this one is pronounced as A. Let me show you how to form the words. The first one, Ka plus U equals Ku. A word formed with this. An example of a word formed with this is Kul. Kul means family. Let me show you how to write this. The second one, which is Ku. Ka plus U equals Ku. This is an example of a word using this. Cool. This is pronounced as cool. Now let's see the next example, which is A. So I have used this consonant Ma. So Ma plus A equals May. Now let's see an example of May. Male. Male pronounced as male. In English, this word means connection. This is how you would write male. Now let's see the example of the fourth vowel, A. Ma plus A equals Ma. Let's see an example of Ma. An example of this is male. Ma and L. Male. Pronounced as male. And in English, this word means dirt. If I would have to write this word, I would simply add this here. So that's it for this part. I will see you in the next